video's recording. What are you doing? So, do you want to reduce the cost of your restaurant bills and get a tax relief? Well, watch this video as I show you how. Now give me back my food. Hey, I'm Simon Misiewicz, your Finance and Tax Director, and in today's session I'm going to be talking about restaurant costs and how you can reduce them and get tax relief at the same time. So what will be useful for this strategy is if you are a property developer or investor and you're going out to see properties, that you are going to be out and about from your usual place of work, which may actually be at home. You might be in a meeting, so you might be going from one business meeting to another. You might have to get in your car, a train, or even a plane. And at some point during the day, you are going to need to eat. And therefore, you should be able to claim that as a business expense. And that's whether you're an employee or a business owner. But of course, we are going to be focusing on you as an entrepreneur. So what you can do is go to this URL, which is expenses. This is HMRC's own website, talk about expenses, benefits, and employees. So it's really useful guidance for people with limited companies, that their own limited companies paying them for their subsistence costs. Don't forget though, you can utilize this guidance as well for your self-employment and your property income as well. There's another URL which I'm going to put in the description field below this video, which talks about certain rates that you are allowed to claim on your meals. But I'm going to help you with that guidance on this very video. So the first charge is for your breakfast. So if you're leaving early to see a property or go to a meeting or see another franchise owner, you're going to leave your home and you probably are going to get up a bit too early to really want to eat. So you get in the car and you want to stop off somewhere, have a bit of breakfast. Well, you can claim £5 for your breakfast as an allowance. I would always suggest that you have a receipt, but don't go over the £5. Now, I appreciate it's not too much of an allowance. You might want to go more than that. But if you went to Starbucks, Costa, or anything like that, then you can get a coffee and a bit of breakfast for about £5. If you go out over and above, you might have a challenge with HMRC to say, well, you are overdoing it and we cannot give you the tax relief on the excess. And that's fine. And then you have lunch. Forgive me on the icon there. It is a burger and fries. Not really the best in terms of health and nutrition, is it? However, you can claim £5 lunch and £10 lunch, but it depends on the hours that you're doing. So if you're doing a half day and then you're going back to your normal place of work or back home and you've got 5 hours kind of traveling and going to your meetings, then you will be allowed just the £5. If you go for a full day and you're going to extend that time, then you are allowed the £10 allowance as well. Now, you also have an evening meal allowance of £15. So this is whereby you might stay in a hotel, you'll stay away from home, your normal place of work. You can still get that food allowance at £15 for an evening meal as well. So of course, that does not really mean that you can allow wine, beer and things like that, because that would be in excess of that £15. So you might want to have a charge card which allows the £15 meal to be charged, and then you get something else. It is not the best rates. And you're kind of thinking to yourself, well, that is going to, me going to a restaurant is going to be more than those rates. Well, yes, but these are allowances to get you the tax relief, which means you can offset that against your income and therefore pay less corporation tax, or indeed any other form of tax. Now, talking about cost, if you need to reduce the cost of your meals, then you might want to look at Tastecard. And I'm going to watch a video with you on what Tastecard is all about. So let's go.
So this is Tastecard, your simple saving solution. It lets you dine more, watch more, discover more, enjoy more. It's the easy way to save on, well, pretty much everything. With Tastecard, you can dig into 2-for-1 meals or 50% off food at 6,000 plus restaurants 7 days a week, all year round, as many times as you want. You can use your Tastecard at loads of the nation's favourite restaurants and thousands of local independents. Want to catch the latest blockbuster? Of course you do. With Tastecard, you can get up to 40% off your cinema tickets 365 days a year. And you can even get up to 50% off days out at things like theme parks, aquariums and attractions. Sweet. So now you know what you're getting. Here's how to get it. Download the Tastecard app to your phone or head to tastecard.co.uk. Search for a restaurant you want to try. When paying, show your digital Tastecard or physical card and get that saving satisfaction. Simple as that. Go on, Tastecard it.
So hopefully that video has been useful for you in terms of what Tastecard is. So make sure that you get your Tastecard today, just like I have. I was at an evening meal with my wife. We talked about business. We claimed it against our business because we were talking about business stuff. We had paperwork in front of us. We was going through forecasting and some employee stuff as well that we really need to keep on top of. So we claimed that against our business. Plus we got a reduction using our Tastecard just right here. So why don't you do the same? Reduce your restaurant costs and get the tax relief all at the same time. So if you have any questions about this, please make sure that you type your questions below this video and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a good thumbs up and remember to subscribe to this channel so you get notified every single time. Would you like to grow your business, increase the sales of your products or services? Well, why not sponsor our next video? Please drop me an email to understand the opportunities. You may wish to understand how to implement this strategy within your business, within your investment portfolio. Well, why not book a call with me, Simon Misiewicz, your Finance Tax Director, for at least an hour to understand how we can help you grow your business without paying the tax.